Hi everyone, and welcome to today's tutorial on how to turn your email signature into a powerful tool for gathering customer insights. In this video, we will show you how to add a simple customer satisfaction survey, also known as a CSAT, with bad, neutral, and good options, as well as an NPS survey banner that links to an external survey page, similar to these two examples right here. Adding a CSAT or NPS inside of your email signature is more than just a clever way to use the space. They are an effective and non-intrusive method to collect real-time feedback and enhance customer satisfaction. Let's dive into the first part of our tutorial, adding a customer satisfaction survey to the email signature with three simple options: bad, neutral, and good. So to get started, I have my signature opened up here. And you want to get started by creating three separate URLs that will collect the responses for each option. For example, you have a URL for the bad option, you have one for the neutral option, and then you have one for the good option as well. Now, these links can point to a feedback tool, a Google form, or any other survey platform that you are using. Then, once you have those links ready to go, we can use the Bybrand editor to add those links directly into our signature. So let's go ahead and see how to do that. So to get started, let's go ahead and add some plain text that we can customize here. And I will customize this text to say, rate our support, bad, neutral, good. And I just type that out normally. Then I can customize this, obviously. I can make that bold if I wanted to, or maybe I just want to make the ratings bold here. And we can change the font to something else like impact if I really wanted to. We can change the colors. We can underline these and anything else that we really want to do. Let's go ahead and make this something a little bit more friendly. Maybe something like that there. Then I need to add the links to each one of these. So I have my link ready to go for bad. So we're going to highlight bad. We're going to insert the link. And I'm going to paste it in there just like so and click on insert. Once I have that inserted, I can now also add a little underline to make it stand out a little bit more. Then we're going to do the same thing for neutral and for good. So we're going to highlight that, add our link for neutral, insert, and then underline, and then good for the last one. We highlight it, insert link, perfect, and then we underline it. Cool, perfect. Now let's add a little bit of space below it, just to make it look a little bit nicer here. Beautiful. Something else we can do is add an icon at the beginning. So let's click in here to rate. We're going to add an image. Then I'm going to go to icons, and the perfect icon for me, let's say that I wanted to go with this little option here. So we click on that. Then if it's too big, we can simply go ahead and resize this just like so, add a space there. Perfect. Now, once you've added your CSAT links, you can save your signature and then click inside of the preview to verify that each link directs to the correct survey page. So we can call this CSAT signature, and then we can save that. Then we can click this little more option here and then go to quick preview. And then of course you want to click on each one of these options just to confirm that we entered our links correctly and they go to the correct page. Something else we can do, if we go ahead and close out of that, and let's go ahead and delete this option for now. We can now move into adding an NPS survey banner that points to an external link. And an NPS survey helps you gauge customer loyalty. So the first thing you need to do is create an external survey using your preferred platform. As I mentioned earlier, this could be Google Forms, it could be Typeform, or some other tool. Once you have your survey ready, make sure you grab that URL, and then you want your NPS banner to be eye-catching, but not too overwhelming. I've already created a simple banner inside of Canva that says, "We want your feedback, take the survey." And now I want to add this banner inside of my signature. So here's how we do that. Again, we're going to click inside of here, and we are going to add an element, and we'll go with plain text. Then we're going to delete that plain text, click inside of the box, and add an image from our image gallery. This time, we're going to upload the image that we created. And once we select that image, it's going to automatically put that image into our signature. And if needed, we can click on it, and we can resize it with these blue boxes in the corner. I also want to add a little bit of space below. So we're going to click inside of here, click the plus symbol, and then we're going to add a little bit of space. And then we can go ahead and move that up. And that looks a lot better. Now we need to make sure that we add the link to our banner So when someone clicks on this banner, they are taken to our survey. So we're going to click on the image itself. Then we are going to click on Insert Link, and then we're simply going to paste in the link to our survey, just like so, and then click on Insert. Once we have that inserted, we can save this, and just like before, we can go inside of More, Quick Preview, and then we can click this to make sure that it redirects to the correct link, which is going to be our survey. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully added both a CSAT survey with bad, neutral, and good options, and an NPS survey banner to your email signature. This simple enhancement not only leverages every email you send as a feedback tool, but it also reinforces your commitment to continuous improvement and customer satisfaction. Until next time, happy emailing.